attendance for game number 1 on the finals, best of 3. At mataas po ang kumpiyansa ngayon ng Ateneo. Kung ano naman taas ng kumpiyansa nila, ang baba nung set
Ang baba
yun
nung
para
set.
kay Mika Reyes.
For Mika Reyes, that didn't even cross or go up to the height of the net. So, wala. No way of Mika getting that over and across the net. And De La Salle, really, tama yung sinabi mo kanina, Buma. Parang hindi sila yung usual De La Salle squad that's really confident, that's organized. And on the other hand, itong Ateneo working very hard. Even si Paneng noticed it.
Oo, napansin niya, no?
Ibang Ateneo yung nakikita niya, tagang bigay todo dito sa laro na to.
With energy. La Salle, though, is not out of it. If you are going to count out La Salle, you will be a fool to do so. They've done it before. They're looking to do it again. Let's check in with Billy Capistrano first.
Boom, there's something terribly wrong going on in the green side of things, and coach wants this fixed as soon as possible. Now he is questioning why the girls look so lost and confused on the court when he knows that they know what to do. Sabi nga niya, napakasimpleng bagay, bakit hindi pa magawa? Now the girls are far from losing hope. That fighting spirit is alive and they will not hand this game to the Lady Eagles. The girls will muster every ounce of strength and courage they have in order to get back on track. Hindi sila magpapatalo ng basta ganyan-ganyan lang. Boom and Ian?
At yun naman ang inaasahan natin. At nakita na natin kasi yan eh. Yun ang masaya sa may ganyang kang experience kasi may paghuhugutan ka.
Yes. Marami ng ganitong games nilaro ng De La Salle. For the side of Ateneo, they also know how it feels to win first two sets and lose the match.
Yes, that's right.
Oh, alam na rin nila yan.
Oh, kaya kailangan din nila, kumbaga, kung kaya mo nang bubugin, huwag mo nang paabuti ng fourth set, yun ang kailangan mo gawin.
For the side of Ateneo.
Yes, for the side of Ateneo. As they say in English, diba, put your foot down on the gas pedal already. A very quiet afternoon for the #1 scorer of the league, and yet her team is ahead 2 sets and 6 points here in the 3rd set. So it only tells you that it's a collective effort for these for the Lady Eagles.
Another low set there from Reyes. Hindi niya napalo ng gusto. This one goes out off the block. No touch from the block.
Nope. They're looking for a check ball. Non-given.
Good try though to sell the call, but it
doesn't hurt, ano? It doesn't hurt.
Masama.
Then Lazaro, who has still 2 more years to play for Ateneo on your screens. This girl only on her 2nd year for De La Salle. Down 5 serving 10. Ferrer, that's a battle she will never win.
Yes, against Abby.
Against Abby Maraño. Maraño, look at her. Look at her. Look at her.
It's the way,
I'll tell you something about her. When I asked her why are you the captain this year? And anong nakita siya ni Coach Ramil? And she says, ang pakiramdam niya nakita ni Coach Ramil is si Abby is like a pit bull. She's a persistent player. If she wants something, she latches onto it until she gets it. Ganun daw yung ugali niya na pag sinabi mong hindi mo kaya, kakayanin ko. Pag sinabi nyo matatalo kayo, papanalunin ko. Ganun daw yung ugali niya. Kahit noon pa sa probinsya, kahit nung high school naglalaro siya at natuto siya ng volleyball, hindi mo kayang i-block yung lalaki. Kinakaya niya. So yun ang nakita daw ni Coach Ramil. Sabi niya, ikaw ang magiging captain this year.
So hindi yung mga hair clips niya?
Hindi.
Kasi ako, she gets my vote. Just looking at those hairs.
Abby Maraño again. Oh, great pickup by Ferrer. De Jesus sends it to the other side. Esperanza sets up Q. Lazaro's there. Kainglet keeps it alive. Ferrer for the free ball for the LSU. Esperanza back to Q. Kainglet pops it back.
Libre yan.
She mistimed it.
Oh, wow. I was already excited. Sabi ko, libre yan.
Regalo yan. Malaking regalo. And look at her. She mistimed her jump. She pulls it back. And a point goes to Ateneo. So not only are Ateneo playing well today, nabibiyayaan pa sila kasamang iyan.
Errors. Again, kita natin 12 in that 2nd set.
Another one.
Oh, Abby Maraño. Again, that set not really the best to give Abby. She was on her way down as well. So the timing between setter and attacker, that's the problem right here. Ayan, no choice for her but just to wait for it. And even though she sent it across, nandun naman si Jem, nakaabang. So all these plays from De La Salle really not working and not producing points for the Lady Archers.
And the defense of Ateneo, Doc, the defense, Kainglet hits the net. Coach Roger, Kainglet hits the net. So the point was given to Ateneo before the ball. Hindi na natin kita dyan, pero yun ang itinawag ng referee. And then Gervasio will talk to our first referee here.
Yeah, sometimes, may konting leniency yung
Correct.
refs eh. Pagkadating doon sa mga net touch, especially if it doesn't affect the play. Lalo na yung pababa na yung bola. So, I think Coach Roger
is that
is trying to make that same point to the refs.
Are you saying, Ian, in terms of that, it's something judgment call? Judgment call.
Yes, the leniency is there.
Yes.
But again, you cannot argue dahil nag-net naman talaga. So, sabi nga ni Coach Roger, pababa na yung bola nung nag-net eh. So, wala nang kinalaman yung net dun sa resulta ng play. But again, the fault sticks. The referees are right. Talaga naman nag-net. So, let's leave it at that.
Nangihinayang sa puntos ito si Coach Roger. And you understand why. Even with a 2 sets lead and a 4-point lead here, he knows who they're up against. He knows the capability of LaSalle. That's why nangihinayang siya. Gretchen Ho! Wow! Yung sabi niya, di ba? Sa training, etong huling linggo, naluluha daw sila. Siya daw yung namumuna. Dahil
Pinakamababaw ang luha.
Oo, nagiging sentimental daw siya every time training is
Ito
done.
na naman, yung ating best server of this first game. Especially in that second set.
The captain, back at it. The lead is 5.
Wow, kept in play by Gretchen.
And that's what has been the difference here today, Ian, for Ateneo. Look at that. That's the difference. They've been just so active on their floor defense and coverage. Maraño puts that one away.
Right, that was a power hit from Abby Maraño. Even though it was deflected by the block, just the strength in that hit gave it that
Perfect set. Perfect set by Kimano. You know, we haven't even mentioned Valdez's name a lot here in this game. She's not even on the floor right now.
Parang ang pinagpapahinga.
Parang, ano?
Manood ka na lang. Oh, service ace from Fajardo. They badly needed that one. Now they have the momentum. Let's see if they can build on it. Start a run. Back-to-back points now for De La Salle. They're still down by 3.
There's Valdez. You saw Kim Fajardo earlier. Only 7 points today in total. Alam mo ba? Si Kim Fajardo, di ba? Alam naman natin yung teammate nila sa UST, no?
Yes.
From high school. Elementary pa pala. Elementary, magkasama sila sa Bataa.
Wow.
At bangko daw si Valdez. Si Fajardo yung naglalaro. Balikan natin yung kwento na yan mamaya. Makinig muna tayo sa timeout.
Jen, resiban nyo maigi. Napaka-critical ng reception para makikita tayo, Jen. Phil, wag ka nang bumaba dito. Hayaan mo na lang si Jen. Dito ka na lang. Dito ka, Jem. Dito ka, Jem. Dito ka. Ha? Wag ka naman tayo mo dito. Lumabas ka na dito. Ha?
The lead is down to 2. So let me just finish that story. That kwento sa akin ni Eliza. Sabi niya, si Kim Fajardo, on your screens, teammate niya,
Si
when
elementary pa.
they were representing Batangas sa Bataa, which is parang yung palaro prior to the palaro
Yeah,
pambansa.
regional, nila, meet.
Oo. Siya yung babad. Si Valdez daw, yung
Hindi pa.
bangko. Bangko nga, sabi niya.
Bangko pa.
Bangko siya. So matagal na silang magkakilala sa Batangas in elementary days.
Pero pag si Eliza naman ang tanungin mo dyan, sasabihin niya, si Kim naman yung bangko.
Hindi, si Eliza ang tinanong ko. Kwento ni Eliza yun. Hindi siya katulad mo, Doc.
Natin dalawa.
Lamang ng isa. Ang Ateneo, naibaba na. Ito na yung habol, kasamang iyan.
Yan a
Ang
worried
Lasal.
look on Coach Roger's face.
Oo. Kim Fajardo. See, let me clarify that. It was Eliza Valdez who told me that story.
But now they're on opposite sides of the floor.
Yes. Gala
Ito na.
ties the ball game at
Eto
13.
na. Ito yung sinasabi natin. This girl she's gonna find a way to score. And she's proven that in previous games. Tama yung pinag-usapan natin, Boom. Ateneo, they know what happened in the first round.
That was in set number 3.
Oh.
And coincidentally, Ateneo only scored 13 points in that set. Galang has 8 points here in this match. Kainglet, binalikan.
The coverage again still there for Ateneo. Oh!
And now it is the turn of LaSalle to turn it up. The crowd here at the Big Dome.
First time in
They
this
get a lead, yep.
set.
Ayan na, nagising na ang mga fans ng defending champions. Maraming salamat muli kay Stephanie Mercado at Cara Acevedo
thank you.
for making themselves available for this game. And it's a 2-point lead. 15-13, the tide has turned.
And now it's the turn of the fans of De La Salle. Kanina pa sila tahimik hindi mapakali.
Parang,
Diba?
oo.
Now,
Ano ba? Ito ba yung sinasabi ni Paneng na diesel? Ito na yata
yeah.
yun. Umiinit na.
she predicted it.
Yeah, she did.
Let's give her that.
Well, she's not a 3-time champion for nothing, right?
She's
Parang
part of
ikaw.
that team.
Parang ikaw.
Thank you.
Oh, Jem Ferrer saves that. But La Salle goes to Abby. Coverage was there. Denden. Kainglet. Goes to the block. That's still alive. Chance for Ateneo.
Long rally.
Uy! Ang haba!
Libreng-libre si Jem. And look at the stare down she gave Maraño.
First of all, that was a bad reception by Herbacio, Doc, na sinalba ni Jem Ferrer.
Look
Ang
at this.
lapit sa net eh.
Look at Jem after this. She will look at... Nagulat si Fajardo.
Nagulat sila lahat. Hindi nakatalon yung blockers.
And Kainglet had to pull her back because she was saying already words, you know, to Maraño.
Kasama sa laro yan. Gumabaw. Delayed by the block. Valdez is back in the front line. Gohing is doing
Nice
what she does
dive.
best. Galang again. Valdez sent back. Ferrer pushed. Kainglet. Chance for La Salle here. Back and forth
Oh,
action.
mababa yun.
Back and forth
Another low
action.
set.
Galang again.
Galang. This girl, I don't believe she's just a second-year player. Galang scored.